Welcome to the Random Forex Trader 2022 and beyond, episode number 25. Let's go to the charts. As you know, in the past, we have been doing absolute random trade entries. We've been profitable, zero net losses on every trade so far, well over $1,000 in profit. And then we started using what is called the time of day hedging EA. It's a Forex robot that equally balances a buy and a sell every day. And
now, after watching this random Forex trading series, I hope you understand that if manual trading can be profitable randomly, imagine getting access to an automated trading system which sends profitable trades to your account daily, all on autopilot. If you are ready to stop trading manually and automate your Forex profits even as a prop firm trader, check the link in the description area below or simply visit ForexBitzcom for full details. Now, back to the video.
we set a lot of settings and parameters when we first set this up. Let's go look. We're in a trade right now, and we're doing this on GBP USD 4 hours. So I'm going to go to account history, and you'll notice the comment over here, the TDH in the comment area stands for time of day hedge robot, and every trade has hit a profit of $2.50. However, what that means is the price is moving up 20 pips and then coming back and hitting our 5 pip break even setting. So what I'm thinking of doing is deleting our break even setting and just letting this thing run, because we do have a take profit set, we have a stop loss set, and more importantly, we really have a cash value of $50 that we're looking for, which is well before the actual take profit. So we're looking for this to produce $50 per trade. We've won every trade so far. However, let's go back. We are currently in a sell trade, and at 9 a.m. every morning, we are past that now. At 9 a.m. every morning, it balances. If there's, for example, a sell trade right now that has not went into profit, then a buy trade will be launched. And both sell and buy trades have equal parameters. So let's go to the settings and get rid of this stop loss, which at 20 pips sets our break even to 5. I'm just going to put both of these to 0. So that's essentially turning that off, and let's let it run. We have other parameters, but we're really looking for $50 target. And once we get there, we're going to increase our $50 target. We'll increase our stop losses, maybe get more aggressive with our trailing stops. So there's several different trailing stops we can set, actually 2. And what we can do is set a very large one on the first one, and then once it starts moving, really trail it closely on the second one. So let's just leave the settings at that. Beginning tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. when it goes in and either balances the trades or enters a brand new buy and sell, it will get rid of those parameters. So we'll keep an eye on it. One thing I'm thinking of doing is potentially moving this to a more aggressive moving pair, maybe GBP NZD, maybe a Euro pair. Maybe we'll go for something like US 30 and get really aggressive with it and see how much profit we can make. And maybe more importantly, see if we could use something like this on an aggressive pair like US 30, maybe GBP NZD, and potentially produce some numbers or stay within the win and loss parameters of your average prop firm at, say, a $100,000 account. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Join me for the next episode, and we'll see what happens now that we've gotten rid of the break-even stop, because at this point, we're either going to hit a massive stop loss or we're going to make the $50 profit. And we'll see if we can win more than we lose with this automated technique. That's it. I'll see you in the next episode. Whether you're brand new to Forex or you're still struggling with which trading strategy actually works, the good news is you never have to manually trade Forex ever again. No, this is not the latest and greatest robot or expert advisor. This service sends you profitable trades daily, and you have full control of how many trades you receive and how much you bid. The take profit and drawdown recovery are all built in. For the ultimate in Forex trading automation, visit ForexBitzcom today.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit ForexBitzcom and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching this episode of the Random Forex Trade series. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. Visit ForexBitzcom for more. I'll see you in the next episode.